Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this glittery cut crease. I wanted to do something different, and I don't think I've ever done some eye look like this, so let's get started. I'm going to start with my eyelids. I'm always priming them before I go in with any eyeshadow, and I'm taking my favorite primer, which is the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. After applying this, I'm taking this beautiful palette by Colourpop, and I'm starting with blending this shade and that shade. I'm gonna mix two shades together, and I'm gonna start blending this all over in the crease. This is actually gonna be the only two colors that I will be applying for my crease. I wanted to do like a really soft pink color in the crease, and that's the only thing I'm doing. I wanted to make this eye look glam, but not too complicated, even though I'm using a glitter eyeliner in the crease, which some people might find difficult. So for the rest, I wanted to make it a little bit more easy, if that makes sense. So now I'm taking my favorite concealer, which is the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm gonna take a tiny brush, which is flat. The one that I'm using is by MAC Cosmetics. It's the MAC 242 brush. It's not the MAC 242S, that's a different brush. You have to have the brush without an S after it. There's actually a huge difference between those brushes. And the S one, I don't like that one. This one is really good. So I use that to create a base for the eyelid and also to create a sharp line underneath the crease. This might look difficult, and maybe the first time the line is not gonna look as good as you maybe want it to be. It definitely took me a few times to really find like what is the perfect shape for my eyelid. Now after doing that, I'm going to take this color and I'm going to apply this all over the eyelids. And this is going to be the base for the eyelids. And I have to say, before I started making this eye look, I had no idea what I was going for. I didn't have like a lot of inspiration, so I felt like, let me just create a cut crease. And I just saw, I just didn't know what I was doing. I was just adding more products. Then I wanted to use some glitter, and it turned out to look something I've never done before. I did do like cut creases and glitter cut creases, something like that, but I just feel like this eye look is a little bit different than my other eye looks. But I think that's actually good, because maybe there's someone that really likes this eye look because it's different, so hopefully some of you will. So after applying that shade over the eyelid, I'm going to take this metal liquid eyeliner from Urban Decay. This is such a beautiful product. I have only two shades, the pink one that I'm using right now, and I think I also have more of a golden silver one. It's really pretty. But I feel like from all the glitter eyeliners I've used so far, I think this one is one of the best ones. I think it just applies easy. It gives a really beautiful sparkle. I feel like it has a nice coverage, like there's enough glitter that it really makes like a really great line. You don't have to go over it 100 times to really make the glitter show. I think it's just really good. And if you're searching for a nice glitter liner, I think I would definitely suggest to use this one or to try it. And after creating the line, I'm actually following the line of the cut crease, as you can see. This is really easy because I just follow the line that I created with the concealer. So that's like a really nice guideline to use as a trick to just follow it. Now I'm taking this eyeliner, which is from Inglot. It's their black gel eyeliner. It's a really nice one. I'm using it very often. It's like really intense, really creamy, but it looks really black, what I really like. So I'm gonna create a wing liner, and I'm just gonna put on some music to show you guys. Then I'm taking this black eyeshadow and I'm going to use this to create a smudge liner. I'm just going on top of the liner that I just created and smudge a little bit above it to create that smudgy effect. If you are recreating this look and you don't want to go for a smudge look, you can definitely skip this part. You don't have to follow each step that I'm doing. If there's something you don't like, just don't do it. Give your own twist to it. Sometimes I receive comments like, oh, you should have done that, or you should have done this. And then I'm like, well, you can do that. Like, just because I'm using glitter or anything, you don't have to do that. If there's something you feel like, oh, I would do that different, just do it. Like, I'm only like showing you guys inspiration. I want to give you guys ideas of what you could do. And if there's something you don't like, you can definitely change it or change colors or anything like that. So I just keep smudging until I'm satisfied. I personally really like smudge wing liners. I just feel like it gives a really subtle smokiness to a look without like looking very dramatic. If you guys have any suggestions for my next upcoming videos, definitely let me know. Like, I'm always searching for new inspiration. I think I have around 400 tutorials on my channel, so sometimes it's really hard to find like new inspiration, as you might can imagine. So if there's any like thing you want to see, maybe I can do an updated smoky eye or something like that, or maybe a video on showing you guys the best way to apply glitter without having so much fallout. I can definitely do those sort of videos. I've definitely done a smoky eye video before, but I think I did a classic black smoky eye maybe 2 years ago. So if you guys want to see like an updated video, definitely let me know, because maybe my techniques have changed. Maybe the ones that I do right now, maybe they look better. I have no idea. I haven't done a black smoky eye for a while, so if you guys are interested, I can definitely do that. Just let me know in the comments. Also, I really want to do more personal videos, but I notice every time I do those, not many people watch those videos, so that kind of makes me feel like I don't want to do them because not many people watch them. But at the same time, I find it really hard to like be more personal with you guys and get like a better bond with you. Like, maybe I have to share a little bit more of my personal life. If you guys want that, definitely let me know. But yeah, I'm just really kind of searching like what I want to do. I definitely enjoy creating videos like this. I feel like eye looks is kind of my specialty. I think it's what I'm best at, so I will definitely keep doing those, so don't worry. But I just feel like I want to do something extra on my channel just to interact more with you and just get to know each other a little bit more, but I don't really know how. So if you have any ideas for that, also let me know. Like, what is something you really enjoy watching other YouTubers film? Like, maybe chit chat, get ready with me, maybe Q&As, or just let me know like what you really like to see. Like, what is something that you notice that when you see a video like that, it just makes you feel like really calm, really just a video that gives you a good feeling. I really want it to be like in a makeup way, like if it maybe involves something with makeup, but it doesn't have to be. But yeah, just let me know if you have any ideas. That would be really sweet and helpful. So now I'm taking a black eyeshadow. I just blended that pink underneath the lower lash line, and now I took a black eyeshadow on a flat definer brush to create like a more defined line. And then now I'm smudging out that line to make it more smoky and blend more with the pink that I applied before, that shade, and just smudge back and forth so everything blends into each other. So now I took the lightest color from the palette. I don't know why I'm not showing which shade I used, but I'm popping this in the inner corner of the eye. It's like the lightest highlight shade in the palette. And I just really like that because definitely with a color or with an eyeshadow look like this, which is more of a pink eye look, I think it looks really dreamy to give yourself that inner corner. I just feel like it kind of complements everything. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply my favorite mascara, which is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. I use it in every video. I just really love how it makes my lashes look. And I'm gonna apply a tint coat on the upper lashes and on the bottom lashes. I am going in with fake lashes like always. I'm using my current favorites, which are Betty lashes from my own lash company called Anytude. These are actually really natural, really easy to apply. They have like a really thin lash band, and these are my current go-to lashes. And then this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed. I hope you like the end result. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my channel. And also don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. And yeah, I just hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!